Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist John Carroll.
Cloudy skies, cool conditions, a little bit of light rain. It was a different type of day than what we've seen for a while. And the good news is, as I talked about at the top of the show, air quality is in the good range. It's not going to stay that way, but the rain showers definitely helped today. And here's what's going on now. A live look from our Bend Airport cam. Looking to the west, you could just see a little bit of sunshine above the mountains, trying to peek in between the clouds and the horizon. And I want to go back in time and tell you a little bit about what happened in August. It was not a very rainy August. In fact, we had less than half of what we should have for this month, and we only had 4 days that we had measurable precipitation, and so we were down by about 1/4 of an inch. Normal is 44/100ths of an inch. Now today, our weather headlines are as follows. Spotty rain showers not only today, but through Saturday and again on Sunday. I think it'll improve on Labor Day. Air quality, obviously, as I mentioned, has been much better, and we are expecting some isolated storms on Saturday and possibly on Sunday. But here's a look at the air quality forecast. Now, as I mentioned, it's not going to stay in the green forever, and we still have a lot of fires burning to the west, and we are looking at Sisters being in the slightly unhealthy range tomorrow as well as Sunday, but most folks on Sunday are going to be on the green side and a little bit on the moderate side. Bend, Redmond, Madras, and Prineville for tomorrow. Now, what about your Labor Day forecast as we move forward through time? We're looking at 76 on Saturday, 73 on Sunday, and 71 on Labor Day. So Labor Day is really going to be the nicest day of the long holiday weekend. But what's going on before that is this. We have an area of low pressure in Northern California tapping into some water and throwing it into the Beaver State. Now, what's going on with that is most of the rain right now is in Klamath County as well as portions of Lake County and off to the southern tier of our state. But some of that will migrate through to the north as we go through the weekend. So everybody's still going to have a chance to get some rain. Here's the big picture. There's that big low. And look at all the water that's possible to tap into moving through the Great Basin. That's called monsoonal moisture, or the flow that's coming up in through the Four Corners. Now, the low kind of drops back towards the coast on Saturday, still rotates the rain into our area, and then shifts over in towards Nevada and will bring the rain in on Sunday a little bit from the east, and then actually we're going to get a little bit more from the west. So we're going to get kind of a double dip here as we move forward through the next 48 hours. Here's how it tracks on Future Track. You can see some showers coming in on Saturday, a couple of isolated thunderstorms here and there. We will see Saturday evening or afternoon, excuse me, get a little bit more robust rain through the area. And then as we get into Sunday, we notice a flow of air coming down from the northwest. It's still going to have a couple of showers in it. So again, because we are so parched, we would like that rain. Now, unfortunately, it happened on a holiday weekend. Here's what we got going on for you as far as the zoomed-in version of Future Track. You can see the showers speckling through the region. A little bit of robust rain is anticipated on Saturday afternoon. That may have a little bit of thunder with that as well. And then, as you can see, the shift of the cloud cover coming in from the north and west. That's late Sunday. How much rain are we expecting through this whole event? Well, there'll be pockets of about an inch west of Bend, but overall, not all that much, but any rain is good rain. So what about the temperatures? Today's highs were in the 60s and low 70s. Right now, it's about where those high temperatures are, 60s and low 70s. 57, though, in Sun River and La Pine. A little bit of maybe some light mist is cooling that down. Lows tonight will be in the 30s, 40s, and 50s, and highs tomorrow will be in the mid-80s up in Warm Springs, but generally in the 70s, most locales. Prineville will be at 80. 73 on Sunday, 71 on Monday, and then drying out and rather benign as far as rain goes Tuesday through Friday. That's your local alert weather forecast.